Hello everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I think it's been like over a year or two that people have been waiting for me to make this video, but I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious, healthiest ranch dressing that you'll ever have in your life, okay? What I normally do is eat this ranch dressing with the spring mix, and it just helps me lose a lot of weight. So I'm going to do about a teaspoon of salt, 2 raw eggs. This is why I can't sell it, because you got to use raw eggs. Okay, and then we're gonna put about a tablespoon of mustard and about 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm gonna measure it in here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna emulsify this. And then I'm gonna slowly add, you can either use the light olive oil or you can use grapeseed oil, okay? Those are the 2 healthy oils you wanna do. You're gonna add this really slow. And this is how you make mayonnaise. And all you do to turn the mayonnaise into ranch dressing is add a little bit of water and the Kernel Seasonings ranch seasoning. See how easy that was, guys? See that? And see how it's really thick, okay? So to make it ranch, you don't want it this thick. You want it a little bit more runny. So we're gonna put, honey, give me some water. Just give me some water in a 4-ounce cup so I can do this. I'm gonna take half of this, okay? This is 2.7 ounces. Half is all you need to make a delicious ranch. But I'm gonna take this out and put half of it in here. Okay, that's about half. And then AJ's bringing me some water. I'm gonna keep mixing this.
Mom, is that fine if it's cold?
Yep, that's perfect. I want it cold. Pour it in here slowly. See how the texture changed? See that, guys? And there you have it. That's how fast it is to make a super healthy ranch dressing. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys something. Other ranch dressing is full of additives and preservatives and garbage, and it lasts all kind of time in the fridge. This does not, okay? You have to use this up within 2 weeks or it's gonna change the taste. So you can make this and just make enough to last you for a couple weeks. So that's a great tip for you guys. Thank you for watching. Visit us at HealthyTreatsMarket.com, or if you live nearby, come to the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. God bless you.